What's up, beautiful people? I pity the fool who hasn't got a tool, so today we do a little unboxing of the Knipex CutiX, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is a new cutter from Knipex, a well-known German brand, and as far as I can see, I think it is made in Germany, which seems to be a good thing. And yeah, well, let's unbox it and see how this works. Okay, this could be a little bit of a challenge. You could probably need a cutter. No, it will open up without cutting through this. Oh well, could be easier, but you need to open it just once, and then you have a cutter unboxed from this. So, this is the knife. There is a small, oh yeah, seems to be useful, a little manual, just in case you can't figure out it by yourself. You will have a small manual with instructions how to use it. Alright, so this seems to be a normal cutter where you can clip off the blade, and let's see if it comes out. Oh yeah, it comes out nicely. It clicks very... Can you hear that? Yeah, this clicks quite premium-esque, and yeah, the cool thing is that the switch, or this, yeah, for the retraction mechanism, is very flat, so you cannot, or it's unlikely that you will hit it without intention. So this is, but it goes in quite nicely and comes out quite nicely as well. So yeah, the sound is quite good here. It's very important that it sounds good. And yeah, as you can see, there is this slider here, this one. And the cool thing is, if you put this slider down, there comes some little, yeah, what's it called? Little cover, which covers the edge of the blade. And so what you can do is, when you have to cut something, you can put on some pressure without destroying your fingers, or without, yeah, well, carving your fingers. And it gives the blade a lot of stability, as you can see here. And you can, yeah, it is longer than the blade, but you will just find a position where this covers the entire blade here, and then you can put in some pressure as well. So, well, this looks very nice, and I think it's a metal case, but it's very, very light. And yeah, well, the first impression seems to be good. There's one little screw here. I don't know if it's necessary to, if you want to change the blade. I don't think so. Let's have a look how you can change the blade here. Is it possible to change it here? I think you have to press this button here to unlock the blade. Yeah. Here you go. So there's a locking mechanism. There is a hole, a punch hole here, and I think it will get into this contraption here. And so if you reinsert the blade, I hope it will make some little clicky noise that you can actually figure out if it is in place or not. So this is not okay. I have to apply some force here, and now it's back in place. Right, this seems very nice. Okay, in with the blade, and then last thing I want to check if, here you go. And here are the spare blades, as you can see. So if the main blade or the first blade is used up, you have, I think these are two replacement blades which go nicely in place so that you always have some spare. Yeah, well, this was my unboxing and little review of the Knipex CutiX oder CutiX oder CutiX, I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, this is a very handy and very sturdy tool as well. Stay tuned for more.